Hello folks, Waz here from B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have a Hyundai i10, which was an awkward one, but because we're a pro specialist we were able to do. This car came in with a sat-nav system and it was broken and it was $5 to replace, which is ridiculous because the car's probably only worth that sort of money, if that. Anyway, customer said change the radio, but there's no solution for this car. If it's a base model, there are solutions, but if it's a high-end model like this, there isn't. So we've had to do a little bit of research. We've done a couple of these in the past but not made a video. So the biggest problem is that there, and that there are totally different to the lower spec models, and then the parts are not available because they don't work. This designed to work with this unit only. Anyway, here we have a KENWOOD 5023 fitted in here. What we've done is we've bought 3 parts from spares, popped them in, and now we were able to rewire the car and get it working. So in this case we've got the steering wheel working. We've now given the customer Apple CarPlay, which they never had before, so they've got that as well. So if something like this interests you, give us a ring. We're happy to help. We're based in Cardiff and it's Audio Concepts. Thank you very much.